Assalamualaikum. For our group, we will present about the costing method of Laksa Kebok restaurant for subject ACC116, which is Introduction to Cost Accounting. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Akila Nadirah binti Takwin. My metric number is 2023507419.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurjana Farzana binti Helmi and my metric number 2023147723.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Tun Najla Nabiha binti Muhammad Saleh. My metric number is 2023188863.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Aini Sofia binti Ahmad Huraira and I am from class KAM 1103C. My matrix number is 2023365271.
Okay, I will explain about Laksa Kebok. Laksa Kebok restaurant offer a diverse dining experience with various service options, including outdoor seating, takeaway, and luxury dine-in. It offers attractive and affordable dining deal, making it suitable for families and friends. The restaurant is full with students, and customers can enjoy laksa meal at an affordable price. Touch and go payment is accepted, and free parking is available for added comfort. The restaurant is also suitable for students and offer a comfortable dining experience. Next is detail for this restaurant. This restaurant known for its laksa beras and rojak buah and packed on Saturday and Sunday. They offer a variety of dessert including laci kang, ABC, coconut cut, corn cut, and sour fruit. This restaurant located in the Lebah Bujang Housing Estate in the Merbok and Sungai Petani. The restaurant popularity is due to its unique laksa sauce and dishes suitable for all people of age. The restaurant popularity is attributed to its popularity during this time. Venue for the restaurant is Taman Lembah Bujang Saujana 2 Merbok. The address is 38B Jalan Bujang Saujana 2, Bujang 08100 Bidung Kedah. This restaurant open on Saturday to Thursday at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. This restaurant only closes at Friday, and the menu is selling dishes such as laksa, rojak buah, and desserts. Next, the scale of the business. The majority of customers give this restaurant 4.6/5 rating because the preparation of the menu is very satisfying and looking instructions. Besides, the customers are likewise focused on providing excellent customer service. The restaurant's unique location keep people returning, and customers seem to enjoy the restaurant environment. Next, nature of product offer. The first one is laksa beras. Laksa Kebok restaurant offer homemade noodles in spicy, savory, and sometimes sour broth flavored with spices like lemon rice, salam leaf, tamarind, and chili. Garnished with toppings like cucumbers, onion, lime leaves, and protein sauces like shrimp, fish, and anchovies. The dishes is unique as it is made with homemade recipe. The owner assure customer that the taste is worth every penny due to their reasonable price. Laksa Kebok also use rice noodle called laksa beras, a signature menu item. Next is rojak buah. Rojak buah is a popular Malaysian dish made with a blend of fruit and vegetable, including pineapple, cucumber, apple, and sengkuang in a sweet and savory sauces made from peanut, sugar, prawn paste, and sesame seed. The dish represents Southeast Asia diverse culinary heritage and is a refreshing and delicious treat. Its mixed flavor of sour, sweet, and spicy make it suitable for food lovers who enjoy a variety of flavor in one dish.
So now I will present about job cost card laksa beras. Firstly, we have direct material, which is dried chili. They use 5 kg in 1 month. The price of dried chili per kg is 6 ringgit. So the total cost they have spent in 1 month is 30 ringgit. Next, for black pepper, they use 3 kg in 1 month. The price of black pepper per kg is 2 ringgit. So 2 ringgit multiplied by 3 kg, they spend 6 ringgit for black pepper in 1 month. Next, anchovies. They use 2 kg in 1 month. The price of anchovies per kg is 10 ringgit. So 10 ringgit multiplied by 2 kg, they spend 20 ringgit in a month. Next, red onion. They use 8 kg in each month. The price of red onion per kg is 6 ringgit. So 6 ringgit multiplied by 8 kg, they spend 48 ringgit in a month. Next, Vietnamese mint. They use 40 pieces in 1 month. The price of 1 pieces Vietnamese mint is 50 cent. So 50 cent multiplied by 40 pieces, they spend 20 ringgit for a month. Next, tamarind slice. They use 2 kg in a month. The price of tamarind slice per kg is 70 ringgit. So 70 ringgit multiplied by 2 kg, they spend 34 ringgit in a month. Next, sardine. They use 20 kg in a month. The price of sardine per kg is 12 ringgit. So 12 ringgit multiplied by 20 kg, they spend 240 ringgit every month. Next, lemongrass. They use 90 pieces every month. The price of lemongrass for 1 pieces is 30 cent. So 30 cent multiplied by 90 pieces, they spend 27 ringgit every month. Next, for salt. They use 4 kg every month. The price for salt per kg is 1 ringgit. So 1 ringgit multiplied by 4 kg, they spend 4 ringgit for each month. Next, seasoning powder. They use 2 kg every month. The price of seasoning powder per kg is 30 ringgit. So 30 ringgit multiplied by 2 kg, they spend 26 ringgit every month. Next, cucumber. They use 40 pieces in a month. The price of cucumber for 1 pieces is 1 ringgit 60 cent. So 1 ringgit 60 cent multiplied by 40 pieces, they spend 64 ringgit for a month. Next, celery leaf. They use 50 pieces for each month. The price of celery leaf for 1 pieces is 3 ringgit. So 3 ringgit multiplied by 15 pieces, they spend 45 for each month. Next, egg. They use 1 baht for a month. The price for 1 baht of egg is 30 ringgit. So 30 ringgit multiplied by 1, they spend 30 ringgit in a month. Next, chili. They use 2 kg every month. Next, the price per kg is 20 ringgit. So 20 ringgit multiplied by 2 kg, they spend 40 ringgit for every month. Next, key lime. They use 60 pieces in a month, and the price for 1 pieces is 40 cent. So 40 cent multiplied by 60 pieces, they spend 24 ringgit for each month. And the last one, they use 48 kg of laksa every month. The price of laksa per kg is 4 ringgit 50 cent. So 4 ringgit 50 cent multiplied by 48 kg, they spend 216 in 1 month. So the total of indirect material is 857. For direct labor, they have 3 workers and 2 workers in charge in a kitchen. Salaries for kitchen, they will work 2-4 hours for a month and will be paid 4 ringgit 40 cent per hours. So each worker will get 12029.60 and multiply by 2 workers, the owner paid 2059.20 for salary. For waiters, they only have 1 workers and work for 2-4 hours every month and will be paid 4 ringgit 40 cent per hours. So the worker will get 1029.60 for salary. So total direct labor, the owner spend is 3088.80. Next, we can get total prime cost by total direct material plus with total direct labor. So 857 plus 3088.80, the prime cost is 3945.80. For production overhead for indirect material in kitchen cleaning supplies, they use dish soap. So 6 ringgit multiplied by 5 bottle, they spend 30 ringgit in a month. Next, dish washing sponge. 1 ringgit 20 cent multiplied by 8 sponge, they spend 9 ringgit 60 cent. Next, microfiber cloth. 2 ringgit multiplied by 5 pieces, they spend 10 ringgit for each month. Next, for janitorial equipment, they use 3 packs of garbage bag. So 2 ringgit 50 cent multiplied by 3 packs, they spend 7 ringgit 50 cent in a month. Next, they use 3 apron. So 8 ringgit 35 cent multiplied by 3 pieces, they spend Rm 25 ringgit 5 cent every month. Next, for customer amenities, they use 6 packs of tissue, so RM2.50 multiplied by 6 packs, they spend RM15 for a month. Next, they use 2 cartons of drop, so RM6.50 multiplied by 2 cartons, they spend RM13 every month. Next, they use 4 packets of toothpick, so RM1.60 multiplied by 4 packets, they spend RM6.40 every month. Next, they use 30 pieces of container for takeaway order, so 45 cents multiplied by 30 pieces, they spend RM30.50 for a month. Next, for marketing materials, they make a 2 menu board, so RM38 plus with RM28, so they have spent about RM66. So the total indirect material is RM196.05. Next, for indirect labor, they spend RM200 per month for kitchen maintenance, so the total indirect labor is RM200. Next, for indirect expenses for electricity, they paid RM270, while for water bills, they paid RM50. So the total of indirect expenses is RM320. So to get total manufacturing or production overhead, total indirect material plus total indirect labor plus total indirect expenses, so it will be RM196.05 plus 200 plus RM320 equal to RM716.05. Next, for total cost, prime cost plus total production overhead, so it will be RM3945.80 plus RM716.05 equal to RM5661.85. Next, for profit, 27% multiplied by total cost, so it will be 27% multiplied by RM4661.85 equal to RM1258.70. So for selling price, total cost plus profit, it will be RM4661.85 plus RM1258.70 equal to RM5920.55.
Okay, for my part, I will explain about the job cost card for rojak buah. The first one, we will explain and computation about the prime cost, which is the total production cost. The first one we must identify is the direct cost, and we will identify about the direct material. So the direct material is the raw material that has been used to make the rojak buah, which is prawn paste, mudim chili sauce, sweet soy sauce, dried chilies, cucumbers, pineapples, sengkuang, sesame seeds, and peanuts. So the total direct materials is RM379.20. For direct labor, the direct labor is mainly for the salaries for kitchen. Salaries for kitchen is for 2 workers only, which will pay RM4.40 for 1 hour. So this one we will multiply with 234 hours, which is for 1 month. So each workers we will get RM2,059.20. For salary for waiter, for this restaurant, the waiter only have 1 workers, he or she will be paid for RM1,029.60. So the total direct labor is RM3,088.80. So to calculate the prime cost, the total of direct materials have to plus with total direct labor. So RM379.20 plus RM3,088.80. So we will get the total of prime cost is RM3,468 for rojak buah. So for the next part, we will calculate the manufacturing or production overhead. For production overhead, we will calculate the indirect materials first. The indirect materials including of kitchen cleaning supplies, janitorial equipments, marketing materials, and customers' amenities. So the overall total for these 4 materials that have been supplied from the owner to this business, so the total indirect material is RM202.05. So the second one for production overhead is indirect labor. Indirect labor is for kitchen maintenance. So kitchen maintenance for the business only RM200 per month. So total indirect labor for 1 month is RM200. Okay, the third one is indirect expenses. The indirect expenses including the electricity or utility bills, which is water bills. So the total of electricity and electric bills is total indirect expenses of RM320. To compute the total manufacturing, we need to calculate the total indirect materials plus total indirect labor plus total indirect expenses. So 203 ringgit and 5 cents plus 200 ringgit plus 320 ringgit. So we will get the total 722 ringgit and 5 cents. So the total cost, so we need to calculate of prime cost plus total production cost. So 3,468 ringgit plus 723 ringgit and 5 cents. So we will get the total cost of 4,191 ringgit and 5 cents. For profit, we will calculate using markup method. So 24% of profit multiply with total cost. So total cost of 4,191 ringgit and 5 cents, we will multiply with 24% and we will get 1,005 ringgit and 85 cents for rojak buah. And then the selling price, to calculate the selling price, total cost plus profit. Total cost of 4,191 ringgit and 5 cents plus 1,005 ringgit 85 cents. So we will get the selling price of rojak buah is 5,196 ringgit and 90 cents.
So the first one is individual reflection of student during the conducting the assignment. As we delve into the cost accounting, it did change our view regarding the complexity of cost accounting. The first one is communication skills. Communication skill is important with the teammates as we want to divide the task and with the teammates. The next one is time management. Time management also emerged as a challenge for us as we have to juggle multiple aspect of this assignment while adhering to deadlines, which lead us to overcome it. The journey through cost accounting not only enhance our academic skills, but it also make us commitment to a path of continuous learning, which is essential for thriving in the dynamic field of accounting.
For the individual basis, from this accounting cost method, student can learn on how to calculate the job cost, the labor cost using the correct job costing accounting method so that we can apply it and compliance it to the real life working experience so that student can acknowledge on how the job costing is work in real life experience so that student can be more knowledgeable and be careful on how the accounting works.
Students may improving communication skill, which can enhancing their ability to convey information clearly and actively listening to others. Next, students can apply what they have learned in class to solve a calculation like how to get the total profit.
The first individual reflection from me is student can understand the importance of effective communication in a business environment to improve problem solving skill in business scenario. Secondly, students can improve their teamwork ability by collaborating with group mates to develop innovative business solutions. Also can know more knowledge gain and will help we in future.
Next one is suggestion for the business and managing costs. So as we know, the Laksa Kebok restaurant should adapt to the new industry trends, adjust offer and invest wisely in areas aligning with customer demand. For instance, collecting customer feedback can help them, which is the owner, to understand better about the preference and adjust menu of or operation, avoiding unnecessary expenses and attracting more customers. Besides, the owner can observe the spending cost per month and manage it wisely to avoid any wastage to occur, which can lead to bankruptcy. Lastly, the conclusion for the assignment. In the food and beverage business, a job cost card is an accounting tool used in food and beverage businesses to track and allocate costs related to the production of a specific food item or beverage. It includes prime costs like materials, labor, expenses, and total production overhead, which includes indirect costs related to facility, equipment, utilities, and total non-production overhead such as administration expenses. So for the first one is the Laksa beras. The job cost card for Laksa beras reveals total production cost of Rm 4,661 ringgit for 85 cents, including prime sector, production overhead, and non-production overhead. A 27% profit margin result in a profit of Rm 1,258 ringgit 70 cents, resulting in a calculated selling price of 5,920 ringgit 55 cents. The next one is the job card for the rojak buah. The job has card for rojak buah reveals total production cost of 4,191 ringgit 5 cents, including prime sector, production overhead, and non-production overhead. A 24% profit margin result in a profit of 1,005 ringgit and 85 cents, resulting in a calculated selling price of 5,196 ringgit 90 cents. So, by analyzing these per job costs, help businesses understand financial implication of producing food items or beverage, enabling them to set the appropriate selling price, assess profitability, and make informed decisions.